Stop paying mechanics for things you can fix with a 50-cent item from your kitchen. Did you know a simple bar of soap can stop your windows from fogging forever? Or that a common tennis ball can unlock a jammed door in seconds? Today, I'm revealing 10 illegal car hacks that feel like cheating, but they'll save you thousands. And wait until you see number 1. It's the reason I haven't visited a body shop in 5 years. The 10-second battery reset trick. If your car suddenly feels sluggish, the idle becomes rough, or gear shifts feel slightly off, your ECU might just need a reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. Start the car and let it idle quietly for a few minutes so the system can relearn optimal settings. Sometimes the issue isn't mechanical, it's just confused software. The fuel pump lifespan trick. Never treat the low fuel light like a challenge. Your fuel pump is cooled and lubricated by gasoline. When you constantly drive near empty, the pump overheats and wears out much faster. Keeping the tank above 1/4 can significantly extend the life of your entire fuel system. The AC power boost trick. When you need a little extra engine power, like overtaking on the highway, turn off the AC temporarily. The AC compressor puts additional load on the engine. Switching it off reduces that load and frees up a small but noticeable amount of horsepower instantly. The silent door fix. If your car doors make creaking or rubbing noises, the rubber seals may be dry. Clean them and apply a thin layer of silicone spray or petroleum jelly. This restores flexibility, eliminates noise, and prevents premature cracking. The hidden key trick. Most modern key fobs contain a hidden physical key inside. If your key fob battery dies, you can still unlock the door manually. There's usually a small release latch on the back of the fob that lets you slide the emergency key out. 6. The windshield fog removal trick. If your windshield fogs up, turn on the AC while using warm air. The AC removes moisture from the air, and the warm air clears condensation faster. It sounds strange, but this combination clears fog much quicker than heat alone. 7. The tire pressure timing trick. Always check tire pressure when the tires are cold. After driving, heat increases internal air pressure and gives a false reading. Proper cold pressure inflation improves fuel economy, handling, and extends tire life. 8. The headlight restoration trick. Cloudy headlights reduce visibility at night. Applying toothpaste and gently scrubbing with a microfiber cloth can temporarily restore clarity. The mild abrasives remove oxidation from the surface and improve brightness. 9. The smooth braking secret. Avoid slamming the brakes whenever possible. Gradual, smooth braking reduces stress on brake pads, rotors, and suspension components. Your braking system will last much longer with controlled pressure instead of sudden force. 10. The smart startup rule. Don't rev the engine immediately after starting the car, especially when it's cold. Give the oil 20 to 30 seconds to circulate properly before driving normally. Modern engines don't need long warm-ups, but they do need proper lubrication first. None of these hacks are magic. They work because they utilize basic chemistry and physics to stop problems before they escalate. Taking 5 minutes today can save you 5 hours at the mechanic tomorrow. If one of these helped you, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going to try first. And if you want to go even deeper, check out our video on 17 hidden maintenance tips mechanics protect with their lives. See you in the next one.